Okay, so I come to my car this morning and it would not start. I've had all the glove box out, had a look at all the fuses and relays and that, tested them all, they were all fine. So I went under the bonnet. I checked under the bonnet. I'm still struggling to find out what these relays are, but I found this little fuse box here and it actually lifts out. I'm going to lift it out now with the camera put down. Basically, you have to pry up while pulling that clip out. This top slides off. And there was a 20mm fuse in the middle that had blown. So I've got a new one. I'm going to put the cap on, fit that. By the way, I couldn't hear the fuel pump priming, so I knew it's pretty much fuel, and the pressure was low, so I'd checked them beforehand. So anyway, I'm going to put this back on, slide the lid back on. It only goes one way. You can't get that lid off with the fuses in, which is a bit of a pain. And I'm going to slide the lid on, fit it, and it should start. So there you go, that's fitted. New 20 amp fuse. Let's see if it starts. So there you go, if you have a fuel problem, it might not be a relay, it might not be a pump, it might be that fuse underneath the bonnet, so worth a check before you start spending loads of money.